Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a wine bag. First, let's gather our essential materials. You'll need a sturdy fabric, like canvas or felt, measuring at least 18 inches by 12 inches. Don't forget your sewing machine, matching thread, sharp scissors, and a fabric marker. For a personal touch, consider adding decorative elements such as a beautiful ribbon or some fabric paint. Always pre-wash and iron your fabric to ensure a smooth and professional finish for your project. Now, let's move on to cutting and sewing the main body of your wine bag. Carefully cut 2 identical fabric pieces, each measuring 18 inches in length and 6 inches in width. Place these 2 pieces with their right sides facing each other, making sure all the edges are perfectly aligned. Using your sewing machine, stitch along 3 sides, leaving one of the short ends completely open. Remember to use a consistent 1/2 inch seam allowance for a sturdy and professional finish. Next, we'll create a stable base for your wine bag. To box the corners, fold the bottom seam to form a 2-inch triangle at each corner. Stitch across this triangle, then carefully trim away the excess fabric to create a flat, sturdy base. For a neat finish, hem the top opening by folding the raw edge down by 1 inch and stitching it securely. Finally, add a decorative ribbon or a simple handle to make your wine bag easy to carry and perfect for gifting. With your wine bag complete, it's time to add your personal touch. Get creative with fabric paint, embroidery, or even some fun appliques to make it uniquely yours. You might also consider attaching a small tag with care instructions or a heartfelt message if it's a gift. This versatile bag is perfectly sized for a standard 750 milliliter wine bottle. Beyond wine, it can be beautifully reused for other tall, slender items or simply as a charming decorative cover.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.